Ang isa sa pinaka-top fast food brand in the US is Chick-fil-A. It's the #1 chicken sandwich in the US. Nagpapa-franchise din po sila ng kanilang brand. Pero may isa silang requirement. Leadership from the franchisee. They won't give you a franchise unless they see that the aspiring franchisee has leadership. Bakit nga ba importante ang leadership? Well, pag-aralan natin. Merong 4 na dimensions ang leadership in order for the franchise business to be successful. Number 1 dimension, it's the self-leadership of the franchisee. Self-leadership. Is he energized? Is he positive in spite of some of the challenges? Does he have a winning mentality? Meron ba siyang solutions mindset na tinatawag? Pangalawa, people leadership. Marunong ba siyang humawak ng tao? Marunong ba siyang mag-influence ng tao? Does he have the right values para talagang ma-drive niya yung excellence sa kanyang mga tao? And then the third one is business leadership. Gumagaling ba siya sa kanyang pagmamanage ng business? Sa kanyang function sa marketing, nai-improve ba niya yung operations ng business niya? Meron ba siyang bagong kaalaman? Meron ba siyang continuous improvement na mentality? And then the fourth one na tingin ko napaka-importante na ini-inculcate namin or tinatanim namin or ini-encourage namin ang bawat franchisee is yung owning the business. That's the fourth dimension of leadership. When you own the business, when you own the results, not blaming the others, you will now start to think of solutions, working with your franchisors, working with other partners, because you understand that the results of the business is entirely in your hands. Kaibigan, ang leadership ay natututunan. You don't have to be perfect, diba? But you can really start by being open, by being humble sa pakikinig, and really learning to work with different partners of yours. Kaibigan, expect great things from God, attempt great things for God, for we serve a great God. Please like and follow us for more learning.